I just got back from out of town and I had a lot of great mail packages come through. I'm going to open these and show them to you, and then I want you to tell me which one you want me to do something with first. Hi, I'm Cano-Murillo from Crafty Chica. I'm a full-time artist, author, content creator, all the things, and I'm currently celebrating 25 years as a full-time creativepreneur. Let me show you what comes through my desk. First of all, these are swatches from my new fabric collection that comes out this December through Riley Blake. The theme, it's called Cacti and Charm, inspired by my homeland here in Phoenix. Okay, let's move on to the other boxes. This one from Tulip. If you have been to my website, craftychica.com, you know how much I love tie-dye. I used to be a spokesperson for this company, and I did so many different tie-dye projects. You can find them on my website, on my YouTube channel. So it makes me really happy that after all these years, Tulip still sends me tie-dye goodies. So this one is the Shibori kit. These are little bottles. They have the dye as a powder in there, and you just fill water up to the dye line, shake it, and then you could apply it to whatever it is that you want to dye. So they sent a tote bag. If you want to do tie-dye, I have tons of tutorials on my website. I already want to start making something with this. Oh, these are cute little stickers. Next, this came through. It's called Oh So Easy, baking kits from around the world. Okay, we have the Ube Blondie. This is Filipino inspired. It's a miso caramel brownie mix, Japanese inspired brownie mix, spiced yellow cake mix, Palestinian inspired cake mix. Which one should I try first? A beautiful box from Jumex. So we all love Jumex juices. They sent a gift card so I could go buy the hard nectar. So we're talking cocktails, crafty cocktails. Okay, here's my question. What should I make with the Jumex Hard Nectar? You'll have to come back because I need to go cash this in so I could get the hard nectar to make liquors. These hand-painted ceramic tumblers are from Talavera Salazar, my all-time favorite Mexican ceramicist family. They sent another box. These are little gummies that they have. So one of them is spicy original mango, strawberry, guava, peach, and this one is original mix. Perfect. All of this is just the perfect crafty combination. We have our tie-dye, we have our baked goods, we have cocktails, and spicy gummies. Thank you so much to the companies who sent all of this awesome swag to me. Let me know which one you want me to try first. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.